Tukambira kamiti ya MBONDI ya UTUNGATA bwa mbunge ya MERU dwarene bakinyete mbere ya kamiti ya Senate kwareria mantu ige TAITU ya mbunge unara nende kukurikana mwanka nende munda yura YAAKI mwikaro bia mbunge uyo tena TAITU SPIKA MBONDI na yanite wira nete yakethira kiuriria TAITU munda yu mbere ya mweri uyo ethira yukethira nkuluki maseneta ndibethirite nende bakendegethia kamiti ya mbunge ya county ukwethira weta kalingiti na kwethira bakethuya uritingwe bwa thirikari ya county ya MERU uria kubati
Assembly of MERU.
Arimbere kamiti odhojubombeche mwingi kire bunge sha county nyathirikari sha county Josipak Spika bunge county MERU bwana UTUNGATA na kirireria kiama bakamiti barapo kali bagukiria rure igure mdajo bunge county MERU jora mwankira nande jotina TAITU dind
Could be
nyume kuthingatanirwo BIURIA clark bunge je county MERU bwana Jacob Kirari na ithurire ibethirito bakirete kushwa TAITU eje kwa miaka 10 kuma thirikari sha county kwethira kiamberia ende mwankira nande batamiona
trying to trace where that the record of that both the building and the land since the dissolution of the county councils, and we are yet to find out a proper record for that.
If you're not clear on who owns the land, you might find that that land is the name of a private individual. Narok has done it. There's no reason why MERU 10 years later does not even know who owns the land on which you sit.
But I can assure you, Chair, within the next 30 days, I will have this issue settled down.
Kenge nakyo onogi karoiki Spika y'Ubundi netekanirie na kiama ati milioni 5 irabetho benekane ngwataniro MCS joka figiuta tena watho yeno tomuchukuma kumakire MCS patithero benogite.
When it comes, Chair, to the all of the members are very emotive, and particularly given instances when they feel as if you are owing money and this money is supposed to benefit them in terms of the welfare, improve their welfare, then it becomes very difficult for you, either as a speaker or if you're in the part of leadership like the majority and the minority.
If indeed this body exists to champion the welfare of members, why don't those subscriptions come from the members themselves? Why does it have to be an expense to the people of MERU?
I believe even the current the bill that is being sponsored by our able Deputy Speaker of the Senate, Honorable Kaduri, has been pushed by the CAF. There is those kind of engagements that they have been having.
Can you push CAF to make an amendment to the legislation that actually will solve this problem?
So we are going to insist that CAF, COG, before we regularize their status, we stop the drain and the bleeding of public resources that we are seeing.
Kere ripoti je mwaka 2019 mwaka 2020 ere kureti mbere kamiti akiama nyuma ya kumidhoja bondhi baitikania mugambo jomwe tukalia maiti jama ikana qualified ende bamuromba Spika y'Ubundi na Jacob Kirari bedro betigira ibakwerekithene ndezo ya torani kana gichungu secretariat kene mwaka jo twitite unqualified.
Speaker, a man who has been in the county assembly for 10 years, who has led the house and is now a speaker, is not a small politician. So we recognize that kind of background and experience that you have, and we hope that you will share your experiences and this conversation with your colleagues.
That the backbone of an assembly is the secretariat, because it's a secretariat that's a repository of expertise.
Bisi mudhojo machabu ja thirikari ja Auditor General neredi kwethire yita ripoti ya mwaka 2023 mwaka wa thirikari 2024 ari abakonania rotubirwa bashabu thito bwithika kire thirikari sha county ne nyankoroki kire bunge sha county kewe Spika y'Ubundi na rikithiritie rikethire yito ewe kethire tamburoki netheri nkoroki wingi chirito chikiuma.
Assure you, Chair, and the committee that in the subsequent years, as far as I'm the Speaker, then I'm very sure I can promise things will be done differently.
Report Rando Sharo TV, kumaji karone bia bunge, kingi nangine kinene kimushumushu Nairobi, mbita Boniface Mungera.